Good day, everyone. Good day. Yeah. Good day, everyone. Okay, so now, good day, everyone. Good day. Here with me, I've got this question, which is part of earth geometry, and this one comes in paper 1. Okay, so here the question reads: in the following diagram, points A and B lie on latitude 60 degrees south, where point C is on the latitude 30 degrees north. Okay, so we have, this is the model that we have been given: AB 60 degrees south, 30 degrees north. Okay, the local time at A is 10 hours when it is 13 hours at B. So here at A it is what? 10 hours when it is 13 hours at B. So it means you are going this side, you are gaining what? Time. Find the difference in longitudes between A and B. Okay, so the difference in longitude, you want to find this difference in longitude here. So in order to find this, so here this one, to find the difference in longitude, carries 1 mark, then this one carries 2 marks. So what we do here, the first question, how we're going to answer, allow me, I'll write it from this space. Let me use this space. So here we have been given time here, which is 10 to 13 hours. So we are going to find the difference in this time. Okay, so the difference in time, will say we have 13 hours. Okay, 13 hours subtract 10 hours. Okay, so we are subtracting 10 hours from 13. So what are we going to have? So this is hours. So here we are going to have 3 hours difference. Okay, 3 hours difference. So what we would do here, remember this is the first one. We know when you talk of the degree. Okay, so 1 hour is equivalent to, and it makes an angle of what? 15 degrees. So 1 hour makes an angle of 15 degrees. Now we have 3 hours here. So 3 hours, it makes an angle of what degree? We don't know. So here it's just a proportion. We multiply this x, this times this, it will give us x is equal to 3 by 15. So here we have 3 by 15. 3 times 15, remember this is paper 1, we don't use a calculator. Here you get 45 degrees. So this is the answer, the difference between A and B. So here we can also extend to say the difference, which is difference in longitude. Okay, so difference in longitude, between A and B is 45 degrees. So this is what? The answer that we have calculated, 45 degrees. Okay, so now B here, again we calculate for B. B, a plane flew from B to C. So yes, from B to C, this side, B to C. Remember these are great circles. Okay, at a speed of 600 knots. So we have the speed here is equal to 600 knots. Okay, 600 knots. So this knots here tells us that the distance was in nautical miles. Okay, the distance was in nautical miles. So here we have the speed of 600 knots. Then how long did the plane take? So how long did the plane take? So for us to find this how long, which means that you're going to calculate what? Time. So when they ask how long, it is what? Time. How far it is the distance. So we know when you talk of the formula that you are going to use here, speed is equal to distance over time taken, time in hours. So here we want to calculate time, so we make time t subject of the formula. It will be t is equal to distance over speed. Okay, so speed here we have, which is 600. So now for us to find the distance, remember it's BC, it is BC here. So BC, we are going to calculate what? The distance. We are going to calculate the distance of BC. How are we going to calculate the distance of BC? This one, it is its distance, it is in nautical miles, and here we don't use what? A calculator, which means you are not supposed to use the pi to be which is 3.142. So since it is in nautical mile, the formula that you are going to use, it is you use distance here. So we say distance is equal to, so I'm answering for this one here. So distance is equal to 60 theta. Okay, so this one will help us to answer this one with less what challenges. Then this theta, it is the difference in what latitude here. So remember we have this is 60 degrees south, and there's 30 degrees north. So difference in latitude here. So to find the difference in latitude, which means you add these two given what latitude. Okay, so we are going to add 30 plus what 60. So here you are going to add, you say different, you add 90 plus what 30. So when you add 90 plus 30, sorry, 60 plus 30, 60 plus 30, we are going to get what 90. Okay, so get this 90 to be our theta here. So we'll say G is equal to 60 and then times 90. Okay, 60 times 90. So we can multiply 600. So it means here we can add these two zeros, then you multiply 9 times 6. 9 times 6, what's the answer? So when you multiply 9 times 6 here, you get it's 54. Okay, so here we'll say it's 54. It's 54 in nautical miles. Okay, so here it's what 54 in nautical miles. So now we'll get this distance and replace where there is G, and where there is S we replace by what? This 6. Okay, 600 here. So here it will be, it is very simple. T is equal to EHCD, which is distance here, which is 54, like this. Then 100 in nautical mile, then over, okay, over speed, which is in knots. So we just say 600 here, like this. Okay, I hope you are clear here. So we are going to cancel this. We reduce these zeros here, we reduce these zeros. Remember, for us to get 54, we just multiply 6 times what? 9. So it means this 6 can go into 56 how many times? 9 times. Okay, so 6 times 6 into this 56 is going in this how many times? 9 times. So here we say it's 9 hours. This is how long. So here you answer like this, you get what? A 2 marks. So here how long is just what? 9 hours. Thank you very much.